Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of Marcy. The stochastics is at overbought level, with RSI at a very high level as well. The price is also at a potential resistance. With all this in mind, it seems more logical for retail traders to prepare for a short entry with expectation of a downturn in the prices. However, with the spotting of the big money activities, we know that the price will go higher instead. Bullish entry is on 31st May with exit on 5th June. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $3.48 and exit price of $5.11. Big money have an unfair advantage over the retail traders. A nice 46% gain for this trade within 5 days. Let's have a look at the chart of JD. Big money activities have been spotted in this stock, and I took the opportunity to enter the position with expectation of a higher price movement. And the price moves higher within the next 2 weeks. Entry is on 25th May with exit on 5th June. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.22 and exit price of $3.17. Spotting the big money activities gives me an edge in this successful trade. A nice 42% gain for this trade in 11 days. Let's have a look at the chart of HLF. Entry is on 23rd May. Big money threw down the price to close off all the previous long traders and then recover quickly with a strong spike. And exit was on 8th June. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2 and exit price of $2.80. Knowing the movement of the big money is a key to this successful trade. A nice 40% gain for this trade within 16 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MSFT. MSFT has price failure at this level for the previous 3 attempts. I'm confident that this round, the price will break above this level as the big money has been spotted this round. Indeed, the price has crossed above this level for a nice profit. Entry is on 10th May with exit on 2nd June. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $7.60 and exit price of $10. Knowing the movement of the big money is a key to this successful trade. A nice 32% gain for this trade in 23 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under Trade, Portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.